Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 5 Reinforcement Learning. So the question is, find the Manhattan and Chebyshev distance if the coordinate of the objects are 0, 3 and 5, 8. So first we understand the definition of Manhattan. What it means? It is the distance measured along the horizontal and the vertical path between two points. This is called our Manhattan distance. So here we write the definition. Manhattan, it is the distance measured along the horizontal and vertical path between two points. One more important thing is that it is also called as city block distance or taxi cab distance. So how we calculate it? This is P comma Q equals to x minus x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2. This is the formula to calculate Manhattan distance. So what is the P and Q here? Our P coordinate is 0, 3 and Q coordinate is 5, 8. So now put the value in the this formula to calculate the Manhattan distance. So distance P comma Q, which is equals to, this is 0 0 minus 5 plus, this is our x1 x2, this is our y1 and y2. So 0 minus 5 plus mod y1 is 3 minus 8. So when you solve it, it become minus 5 mod plus 5. So minus 5 mod value, which is 5. So 5 plus 5, which is equals to 10. So our Manhattan distance of P comma Q, which is equals to 10. Here our first one is completed. Now move to a second one where we have to calculate the Chebyshev distance. Before calculating this distance, we need to understand what is the meaning of Chebyshev distance. Chebyshev distance. What it means? It measures the maximum difference between coordinate of two objects. It measures the maximum difference between coordinate of two objects. What is the practical application of this distance? Which is, we used this one in chessboard movement, and second one is pattern recognitions. So what is the formula to calculate this? Which is distance of P comma Q coordinate, which is equals to maximum x1 minus x2 mod plus, here not plus is there, this is comma, and y1 minus y2. This is the maximum difference between two coordinates. So now let's see with the initial value of P comma Q. So our formula is P comma Q equals to maximum difference of x1 minus x2 comma y1 minus y2. What is our P coordinate, which is 0, 3, and Q coordinate is 5, 8. This is our x1, this is our x2, this is our y1, and this is our y2. So now put the value in this formula. Distance of P comma Q, which is maximum of x1 value is 0 minus x2 value is 5 mod comma y1 value is 3 minus y2 value is 5. So in solve it, it become maximum, this is mod 5 comma sorry, our x2 value, y2 value is 8 here. So this is module 5. So maximum which is 5,5. So our maximum value is 5. So this is nothing but our Chebyshev distance. So this is how you calculate the distance of Chebyshev and Manhattan. Like that, you have to solve in the examination in the same way along with the definition and give some example of each one. If you want these handwritten notes, link is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.